kids, today we are going to learn sea animals names. Let's start. Fish. This is fish. Seahorse. This is seahorse. Sea lion. This is sea lion. Sea turtle. This is sea turtle. Shark. This is shark. Snail. This is snail. Starfish. This is starfish. Walrus. This is walrus. Golden fish. This is golden fish. Jellyfish. This is jellyfish. Whale. This is whale. Lobster. This is lobster. Otter. This is otter. Eel. This is eel. Octopus. This is octopus. Dolphin. This is dolphin. Penguins. These are penguins. Okay kids, hope so you like it. Take care. Bye bye.